Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Xbox gamertag using the Xbox app. First, open the Xbox app on your mobile device or computer. Once it's open, look for your profile icon, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on this icon and then select Profile from the menu that appears. This will take you to your personal account details, where you can begin the process. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll need to find the Edit button. It's typically located near your current gamertag. Tap on this button and then look for an option like Customize or Edit gamertag. Selecting this will bring you to the dedicated interface where you can make changes to your Xbox identity. It's a straightforward process to get to this point. Here's the exciting part: choosing your new gamertag. In the designated field, type in the name you'd like to use. The Xbox app will automatically check if that gamertag is available. If your first choice is already taken, don't worry. The app often provides several alternative suggestions for you to consider. Take your time to pick something you truly like, as this will be your new identity. Once you've settled on a new gamertag, it's crucial to review it one last time to ensure it's exactly what you want. Your very first gamertag change is usually free, which is a nice bonus. However, please be aware that any subsequent changes after the first one might involve a small fee, typically around $10. Confirm your selection, and your new Xbox identity will be updated across the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.